welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasmin and I make DIY, home decor, and organization videos every week. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you how I cleaned and organized my office. And to be honest, I thought this would be the first room that I transformed ever since moving into this house, but I just haven't had a complete vision of what I want this space to look like. In the meantime, I kind of just let my mess accumulate over a couple of months until I realized I was getting anxious every time I walked into my office and it wasn't really functioning. So here we are cleaning it up until I can plan my dream office makeover. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go in my office. We have the pile of supplies for DIYs mainly, and then we have my anthropology wall art that I DIY'd and I love. We have my work desk, which I really like it. It's really comfortable. It has like a lift top, and here is my DIY cart. So this is like where I keep most of like my regularly used DIY supplies. We have another pile, and this is the pile of all the projects that I've done that currently don't have a home. I mean, I just don't have space to display everything that I've ever created in our house. We have the IKEA DIY table that I got, which I really like for my DIY. So this is definitely staying. It's very unlike me and unlike the rest of their house because everything is pretty organized everywhere else, except my office, which is so weird because I spend so much time in here. Progress has been made in here. That whole bag is just shred and trash, and then the cat was in the closet apparently, and then everything else is organized in here right now. But then this other side is even a bigger mess than it was, but you know what they say, it always gets messy before it gets better. Is that a saying? I don't know. And it's kind of getting dark, but I want to keep going for like another hour or so. A couple hours later than the last time I gave you an update, but I was able to kind of clear this corner, and I remembered that I had these bins that I got from the 99-cent store a while back when I was organizing our other closet, and these were just like extras. So for now, I'm using these to like kind of categorize my DIY supplies. Like over here we have like yarn and ribbon, this is all the foam, and then like ropes and stuff like that. And this is going to be temporary until I figure out a storage solution. I feel like this looks a lot better and also a lot more accessible than that pile that was here. So I'm kind of happy with this solution for now, and I kind of organized all of my faux flowers in this IKEA basket that I've also just had sitting around, and I just think it looks really cool. And you know, I obviously am keeping them for like future projects and stuff. Misha's just been like sleeping in this closet. But yeah, that's the progress for today. I think I'm gonna just like try and fit these somewhere in this closet, maybe like up top here. I kind of cleared this out and it's still accessible, and then tomorrow I can tackle that corner, which is all the DIYs, and hopefully I can move the furniture around a little bit. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the progress so far. It is still pretty messy, but I've done pretty good. she has done too, apparently. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then call it a day. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of this office cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. I don't want to ramble on too much because I just want to get started, but yesterday I kind of cleaned this area and the closet, and today I want to tackle this corner, but I first have to move some of this stuff out of the room because I want to clean the floors and move the furniture, like move my desk around a little bit and kind of figure out maybe like a better layout in here. But yeah, let's go ahead and just jump right in. Can't decide if I like the desk here or when I had it in this corner, like by the window. I definitely think over here it looks more natural, just, you know, it looks more normal. And then over here where it's at right now, it's definitely like an odd place, like in front of the closet. But I actually won't be using that side since the filing cabinet is in there, like facing inwards, so it's not really blocking anything. It's just like odd, but I kind of like this over here for some reasons. First being that I won't get glares in my monitor when I'm working, and hopefully I won't be in the sun when it gets like really hot. But I think I'm gonna leave it there right now and kind of move this stuff around and then see how I feel. Is the progress so far. I kept a desk over here. I'm just gonna try it out and see if I like it or not. I moved my craft table over here because usually I like pull it out in the middle of the room when I'm filming for like lighting and stuff, but for now it's gonna be against that wall. And then my DIY cart is back there, and then over here I have the chair, so kind of like a chilling nook. And then still have this giant wall art over here. I don't know where I'm still gonna put it, so I think it's just gonna sit on the floor for now. And I'm thinking eventually when I get like a dresser for in this space for like organizing or whatever organization system, it can go like right there if it's a dresser. And then I can style like cute little DIYs and maybe this art on top of it. And then so this is gonna be like the pretty wall of the room, and it's gonna be the one that you see when you walk in. Hey guys, so I just finished putting everything away in my office and I'm so happy with how it feels in here right now. I don't know why I put off doing this for so long, but I was able to clean, declutter, and organize everything despite not having a proper organization system in here. I'm so happy that I don't have piles of stuff sitting on the floor. I just enjoy walking into this office now and I feel more creative again. And I just hope that this video gave you some motivation to start tackling a space that you have that might be in the same situation as my office was. And just know that if you start from somewhere, it's just going to be better than it was before. So yeah, I hope that you got inspired to tackle your own space and maybe got some ideas from this video that can help you do that. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!